Before we get into any keyword, consider what your viewers really want. Are they looking for a simple tutorial, a direct product link, or a brand new creator's channel? Understanding whether their intent is informational, navigational, transactional, or investigative helps you tailor your content so it resonates perfectly with their needs. Once you know why people are searching, it's time to find the exact keywords they use. Employ tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, TubeBuddy, and VidIQ to uncover hidden opportunities. Analyze search volumes, competition levels, and related terms. And don't forget to peek at your competitors' keywords for inspiration. This strategic approach ensures you're always hitting the right targets. Your title is often the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Keep it unique, ultra-specific, and useful, and introduce a touch of urgency. This combination not only promises value, but encourages people to click on your video over countless others. Numbers and titles act like warning signs, guiding viewers on what to expect. Whether it's 5 expert tips or 10 proven strategies, lists help set clear viewer expectations, providing an organized and approachable entry point into your content. Your description is prime real estate for YouTube's algorithm and your viewers. Start strong in the first line, expand on your content in the middle, and wrap up with helpful resources, links, and hashtags. This layered approach gives both viewers and search engines a complete picture of your video. Use your main keywords naturally and sprinkle in related terms to reinforce your topic. Focus on clarity over keyword stuffing. A clean, keyword-rich description helps YouTube understand your content and makes it easy for viewers to find exactly what they need. Timestamps break down your video's content into bite-sized sections, letting viewers jump straight to what matters most to them. This improves watch time and user satisfaction, both of which can boost your overall rankings. Never miss a chance to guide viewers to their next step. Ask them to like, share, or subscribe. If you're using affiliate links, be transparent. Clear CTAs and disclosures build trust and keep you in line with platform policies. Tags give YouTube more context about your video's topic. By including well-chosen tags, you reinforce your content's relevance, making it easier for the algorithm to surface your video to the right audience. Use a mix of primary keywords, related phrases, and long-tail variations. Consider including common misspellings if they're popular in searches. This approach helps broaden your reach while staying focused on your core topic. Closed captions aren't just for accessibility. They're also an SEO asset. Transcripts give search engines more text to analyze, increasing your chances of appearing in front of the right viewers, no matter how they're searching. Accuracy matters. Use automated tools as a starting point, then edit for correctness. Viewers appreciate when captions are reliable, and accurate transcripts help reinforce your video's key topics. Adding captions is straightforward. Upload your transcript file through YouTube Studio and ensure timing and formatting are correct. It's a small step that can yield big benefits. Don't limit yourself to one language. Translating subtitles can open your content to a global audience, extending your reach and building an international community around your channel. Your thumbnail is your video's billboard. Use colors, facial expressions, and clear imagery to stop scrollers in their tracks. An effective thumbnail can mean the difference between a quick glance and a committed viewer. Simplicity is key. Show a face, highlight a keyword, and use arrows or icons to direct the eye. Too much clutter confuses viewers, while a clean, strategic design can instantly communicate your video's core message. Don't wait until the end. Invite interaction throughout. Simple prompts to like, share, or comment can boost engagement signals that YouTube's algorithm loves. A loyal, interactive audience helps your channel grow stronger over time. Playlists create a guided viewing journey, encouraging people to watch more of your content. Name playlists with descriptive, keyword-rich titles and provide details in the description. This structured approach can increase watch time and improve discoverability. Analytics are your map to consistent growth. Keep an eye on impressions, click-through rates, and audience retention. By understanding where viewers come from and where they drop off, you can refine future content for maximum impact. Always keep guidelines and ethics in mind. Honest titles, proper disclosures, and respectful content ensure a stable, long-term relationship with both your audience and the platform. Your credibility is worth protecting. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.